Hi, I'm Mike, the original founding member of the Schmart team, and I generally do most of the R&D and development around here, and I'd like to take you on a tour today of the Schmart team headquarters. Now I'm behind the camera, can't do two things at once. That's how it is with a small business. This is our lavish conference room facility here at Schmart team headquarters. You can tell we've been trying to figure out how we're going to explain what the Schmart door is, and that'll hopefully eventually be in the main video. We'll see. Over here we have mainly where we've been testing and fixing and help me out here, Lynn.
Well, this is the tail end of the manufacturing process for an IR1000. We actually hook all of them up to a PS3, register them, and run them through all of the things that it can do, test all the data paths. I'm the last guy that sees it before it ships, and I'm just testing this unit.
Okay, thanks, Lynn. This is where, after he gets through testing them, Lynn comes over here and usually does puts them in shrink wrap and gets them ready to ship out, and we put them over here in our stock ready to ship to Amazon. And over here is where we do the rework and some more testing on prototyping of the new products. We actually have some of the Schmart door over here, the original prototype batch. We have a hot air machine so we can do rework on BGAs and things like that. And right here, as I'm staging up another prototype build, we take the boards and put solder paste on them and put the little parts, which are about to look like dirt when you put them out on the table, and put them on by hand, amazingly enough. Then we put them in an oven that's out in the garage to bake them, and then the solder paste turns into solder. It's an interesting process. Over here we have our receiving and shipping area, and then there's the stock of parts to build products with. We're already starting to stage up for the Schmart door as much as we can. Of course, without the Kickstarter funding, we won't be able to go into full production, but we've obtained some stuff that we had to have to do the testing originally. And over here we have our finance and shipping area, as well as where we make all the shipping labels when we do ship overseas or do any shipping to customers when we do a repair on a unit, because we offer lifetime warranties on all our products. And now I'd like to go upstairs and we'll show you the R&D area. And over here we have some musical stuff which is unrelated to our current projects but necessary for our happiness. Here's where most of the design work goes on, our test equipment and everything, and here's a couple of the prototypes of our Schmart door, which hopefully you will be helping us out with. It's got the main unit over here, and then the expansion unit here for the second door if you have two doors. This is basically where it all happens. You know, I'm usually doing schematic layout and board layout and firmware design. We have been doing Wi-Fi things for 3 or 4 years now, and we've been doing what we call boutique electronics for about 6 years. Here's our newly acquired CNC machine. We use it to cut the plastic, because we use the same plastic enclosure so far on each of our devices, so that we just take the blank board, which looks like this basically on the end. when we get it, and then we put it on the router and we route holes in it to match whatever connectors are on the design we're currently working on. And then there's our Linux test computer and the other rest of the mechanical area where we cut and slice things and generally make a big mess and drill on things. And that's the tour. Hope you enjoyed it.